Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned today. To manipulate photographs, we follow these steps. Open the base image and the other image. Select the relevant portion of the other image using lasso tool. Copy-paste the selected area in the base image. Use Move and Free Transform tool to position the image. Use Warp to bend, twist and curl the image. Match the edges of the two images using layer opacity. Add layer mask to hide or reveal different parts. Use Stamp and Clone tool to correct the image. Adjust the color effect using Hue Saturation Color Balance and Gaussian Blur. Save the file in both PSD and JPEG format.